Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. For this week's video we're going way back into my childhood, one of the first cartoons I ever watched as a kid, and that is Popeye the Sailor Man. And I'm going to draw him in a Marvel comic style, and if you're curious how that would look, well, just keep watching. Here we go. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... making time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Popeye, and tell me, are there some other cartoons you would like me to draw in my style? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!